The Needham Women's Club will hold its 25th annual Holiday House Tour starting on December 10th. The event has evolved over the years and has become a popular festive celebration for families. Ashley Morin has more on what you can expect from this year's tour.
The dates of the Holiday House Tour this year is December 10th through the 17th. Opening night is December 10th, and that'll be at Memorial Field. 5 o'clock is the meeting time. There'll be some special festivities up there. Total Eclipse Dance will be performing a Rockin' Rudolph dance. And we also have the Luce family, who has donated their time to bring up their collection of Frozen characters.
Families can follow maps available on the Needham Women's Club website in their own cars, or there are a few seats available on the trolley tour.
We ended up with 4 trolleys. There's 180 people going on the tour that evening with the trolleys. Our main whistle stop is at the History Center. That'll be about halfway through the tour, and that'll give the families the opportunity to come off the trolleys, go in and have a visit with Santa, get a glass of cider and a holiday cookie, and every child will leave with a stuffed animal.
The participating houses will keep their displays up until New Year's, which will give the community plenty of time to enjoy the lights. Besides encouraging residents to get into the holiday spirit, the Holiday House Tour is also a fundraiser for the Needham Women's Club. You can vote for your favorite decorated home by donating to the club.
Our charities that we do support because of the fundraising that we do from this are the Needham Community Council, Circle of Hope. We give 2 scholarships to Needham High School students. We also support any of the educational requirements that come through. The veterans, homeless, domestic violence shelters, first responders. Basically, it's just, one click away and you can contribute and know that you've done something good for the community.
The Holiday House Tour is made possible by generous sponsors and local businesses who donated gift cards to award-winning homes. New this year is the addition of local celebrity judges that will ride in the trolleys and select winners for a variety of categories.
We have Officer Joe and his service dog Rocket, Matt Borelli, who's a selectman and the president-elect for the Exchange Club, Shauna Gaharin, the owner of Dunn Gaharin's Pub and the past president of the Charles River Regional Chamber, Denise Garlick, our Mass State Rep, Maureen Kelly Fromm, she's a realtor for Remax Preferred Properties and a news anchor for the Needham Channel, and Sandy Robinson, the executive director of the Needham Community Council.
The Needham Women's Club is also hosting a Jingle Jangle Shop on Thursday, December 8th.
This is a chance to have a little stroll through downtown Needham and visit some of our local stores, which are open from 6 to 8 on December 8th for ladies only. This is your ladies only time where you can go and you can browse and you can pick up some really great gifts to give to people. And at the end of the stroll, you can go to Latina and have a signature cocktail.
For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Morin.